Yeah, class interval, and we are going to identify the mid value and interpret the data. Okay, class values were given as 100 to 105. No, let's write 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130. Next interval is 130 to 140. Next one, 140 to 150. Final one, 150 to 160. Okay, the frequency also indicated. The frequencies are 7, 1, 3, 12, 8, and 2. Okay, yeah, our task is to find mid value. Okay, mid value of this class interval. To find the mid value, what do we need to do is we have to add. Okay, we have to add our lower boundary and higher boundary. Okay, lower boundary is our least one in a class interval. Okay, this is our upper boundary. We have to add these two, lower boundary and upper boundary. 100 plus 110. You should add your 100 plus 110. Then that one should be divided by number 2. That one should be divided by number 2. So 100 plus 110, that is 210, should be divided by number 2. So 210 divided by 2 will give you 105. 105. To find the second mid value, what do we need to do? We have to add again same procedure. The lower boundary should be added with our upper boundary. That means 110 should be added with 120. This one divided by number 2. So that is 230 divided by 2 will give you 115. Likewise, when you find for your upcoming class interval, so 120 plus 130 divided by 2 will give you 125. Otherwise, by looking at that also, you can imagine what's going to be our mid value. What is the mid value in between 100 to 110? Should be 105. No? Then here 115, 125, 135, 145, 155. This is the way in a group data distribution by looking at the class interval. You should find your mid value by using this method. You should add your lower boundary and upper boundary. That one should be divided by number 2 will give you mid value of the relevant class interval.